pulled into Nazareth, I was feeling about a half past dead. I just need a place where I can lay my head. Well, hey, mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? He just grinned and shook my hand, no was all he said. Take a load off Annie, take a load for free. Take a load off Annie. Hey, hey, you put the load right on me. I picked up my bag, I went looking for a place to hide. When I saw him coming and the devil walking side by side, I said, hey, come on, let's go downtown. Well, she said, I've got to go, but my friend can't stick around. Yeah. Take a load off Annie, take a load for free. Take a load off Annie. Hey, hey, you put the load right on me. Go down, Miss Moses, there ain't nothing you can't say. It's just old Luke, and Luke's waiting on the judgment day. Well, Luke, my friend, what about young Annalie? He said, do me a favor, son, won't you stay and keep Annalie company? Take a load off Annie, take a load for free. Take a load off Annie. Hey, hey, and you put the load right on me. Crazy Chester followed me and caught me in the fall. He said, I will fix your rack if you take Jack my dog. I said, wait a minute, Chester, you know I'm a peaceful man. He said, that's a king, boy, won't you feed him when you can? Take a load off Annie, take a load for free. Take a load off Annie. Hey, hey, you put the load right on me. Well, catch a cannonball now to take me down the line. My bag is sinking low, and I do believe it's time to get back to Miss Fanny. You know she's the only one who left me here with her regards for everyone. Take a load off Annie, take a load